Welcome to THT Design, your ultimate destination for home design inspiration. We're passionate about helping you create your dream home, from the grand exterior to the cozy interior. Our channel offers a wealth of ideas, tips, and tutorials to guide you through every step of the design process. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore various architectural styles, interior design trends, and practical DIY projects to transform your house into a home you'll love. A harmonious blend of nature and architecture. The concept of a two-story green wooden house perched precariously on a cliff, overlooking a vast expanse of ocean, is a captivating one. This architectural vision marries the timeless beauty of wood with the raw power and allure of the coastal landscape. The house, adorned with a profusion of roses, becomes a striking focal point, seamlessly integrating with the natural surroundings. The green wooden structure. The choice of green wood as the primary building material is a deliberate one. Green wood, often associated with sustainability and environmental awareness, adds a natural and organic element to the design. The color itself complements the lush greenery of the surrounding landscape, creating a harmonious and cohesive visual aesthetic. The wooden structure also provides a sense of warmth and comfort, contrasting with the cool, rugged elements of the cliffside. The cliffside location and stairs to the sea. The house's strategic location on a cliff offers unparalleled views of the ocean. This dramatic setting also presents unique design challenges, such as ensuring structural stability and mitigating the risk of erosion. The incorporation of stairs leading down to the sea enhances the home's connection to the natural world, providing easy access to the water and the surrounding coastal environment. The rose-covered facade. The profusion of roses adorning the facade of the house adds a romantic and whimsical element to the design. Roses, often associated with love, beauty, and passion, create a sense of warmth and vitality. The vibrant colors of the roses contrast beautifully with the green wood, creating a visually striking composition. The roses also attract bees and butterflies, contributing to the overall biodiversity of the surrounding area. the integration with the natural environment. The design of the green wooden house is carefully crafted to minimize its impact on the natural environment. The use of sustainable materials, such as green wood, reduces the carbon footprint of the project. The house is also designed to blend seamlessly with the surrounding landscape, respecting the contours of the cliff and preserving the natural vegetation. In conclusion, the design of a two-story green wooden house perched on a cliff, adorned with roses, is a compelling exploration of contemporary architecture. This home, nestled amidst the beauty of the natural world, offers a unique and unforgettable living experience, combining the timeless appeal of wood with the raw power and allure of the coastal landscape. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.